The man stumbled out of the woods at dawn, barefoot, bleeding, and whispering just 2 words. She's back. Deep within the cursed Blackthorn Forest lies Ravenshade Manor, a decaying mansion where 13 people mysteriously vanished in 1923. The townsfolk believe a twisted ritual trapped their souls inside. In 1978, a group of explorers broke in, mocking the legends. Only one survived, his face frozen in terror, clutching a rusted key smeared with something dark. That key belonged to Eleanor Gray, a woman who disappeared with her daughter nearly a century ago. Her diary was later found. Its final page warned, if the key returns, so will she. Last month, a hiker claimed to find that same key, nailed to his front door. Would you dare to investigate before she finds you first?
If you liked this story, please comment and like the video and subscribe to the channel.